I made you a video, cuz, so you can know what a carburetor does and a carburetor is. This is how Uncle taught me. Well, not really. Well, he just taught me like what means what, and that's it. He just did also tell me. So, cuz, that's a carburetor. The hot air from the manifold goes in through here, regulates a little coil, opens that, opens the lever. Okay, that heats up, it regulates itself. Gas comes in through here, fills up the bowl, then it mixes it, and then it actually sucks in the air, and then it mixes it, and then it explodes, and that's how you get your, I guess, combustion, you know, for these carburetors. This is a screw where you mix the air to fuel ratio right here, guys. This is the let's see. This would be the first, I'm gonna say, of moving the RPMs high and low. This is the accelerator. I'm gonna say this is number 1, and this one's number 2 down here. I've never touched this one, but I've always touched this one and this one. This one's to mix the air. And this is where the vacuum line goes from the distributor to give you the throttle response. All right. So sometimes when I say you got to kick the boot, sometimes this clicks like that. It stays wide open sometimes when it's cold. You see inside? It stays wide open like that so it can get warmed up faster. And then once you know, I would always say kick the boot, it goes back like that, like you saw. See? So that's basically how it works in a real simple way. Just to explain to you guys. I got the new one right now. This just goes on top with the little screw. That little screw, and then you just take out the screw, and then you know, screw it on there. But that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna pause it real quick so I can take you to the truck so I can put on the new one and show you how that goes on real quick. Guys, came with 3 gaskets, right? You remember I showed you the video? And with freaking gloves, bro. What the heck, bro? That is freaking awesome. Shout out to what are they called? Water winch. Oh man, like right now, guys, it smells very bad, like cat feces. I mean, like bad. Damn, they're too small actually for my big old hand. And that's why I don't mess around here. Like the other day, the neighbor barbecued with people, and I'm like, oh man, like, you know, fuck it, right? But how you gonna be barbecuing and smelling cat shit all afternoon and at night, chilling like that? Fuck that. But I don't know, some people are used to that, you know, cat shit smell. I can't do that. I can't barbecue out here. It would be nice. It'd be super nice to barbecue out here, but to be smelling cat shit like that, no, dude, hell no. That's just, I'll just go to my parents' house. You guys know it's nicer over there. And then here. And I'll probably show where I live later on. It's just, look how I'm putting on the gloves. For little man hands. I got war hands. War fighting hands. Let's see. So this is the new carburetor. Bro. This bad boy is gonna hop. So it's the same, nothing's moved. So I just put it on, and that's it. And you know the little hole. Damn. Move you guys. The little hole where that spout goes. This one. So I'm just gonna set it on there already, guys, and that's it. Thinking about putting a gasket on there. Maybe this one. So, oh, you know what I'm thinking now? There's no gaskets on here because maybe I'll go try to get studs on there back in the day when we did that video on the other one, and we couldn't find studs. So we got bolts. I would have to get studs this big and put them in maybe later on, and we had to put washers. But I can take off these washers and put the gaskets, right? I'm just gonna see how thick it is. You know what I mean? It'll probably take this little one and probably these two to make up the thickness of the washer. Yep. So maybe I can dump these washers away and use that like that. Well, not like that. I gotta put it on and then put it through the holes, you know, guys. So. And there is a gasket here. It's one of the thin ones. So we're just gonna put two. Just like that. This is gonna be a little tricky. Remember my uncle telling me I have to put the bolt in first. Because this bolt's too long. It doesn't not supposed to be taking bolts, you know? I don't even know how he got a bolt in here. To be honest. It might not even go. That's gonna be hard. Damn, guys, I'm sorry I didn't pause you. I went over there. But that little boat's gonna be hard. It's not supposed to be going in there like that. I'm gonna pause you guys so I can save some battery.